Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I will teach you how to create a shutdown timer buttons. For example, I want to shut down my PC after 1 hour or 2 hour. So how we can create shutdown timer buttons. And the second things I will teach you slide to shutdowns. Every times we can shut down our PC or laptop in a traditional way. So today I will teach you something special at how we can shut down our PC. So let's move to all the topics and enjoy the tricks. ये हमारे साथ है स्लाइड टू शट डाउन टू शट डाउन। जब इस पे हम डबल क्लिक करते हैं तो ये हमारे साथ कुछ इस तरह स्लाइड हमें शो रहा है और इस तरह हमें अपना पीसी शट डाउन कर सकते हैं, यानी उसको कहते हैं स्लाइड टू शट डाउन। सो हम ये किस तरह कर सकते हैं? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू राइट क्लिक and then go to new and then create a shortcut, and here I will paste the commands I will give to you guys and the descriptions. So paste this the commands here and click on next. Then I will give a name to its slide to shut down, slide to shut downs to, because I already makes one shutdowns button, so it will be slide to shutdowns too. So then I will click on finish, and you will be see here we can create this slide to shutdowns button. So if you want to change the icon of this icons like this, so how we can change the icon of this? You can go to, you can right click on this and go to property and then click on icons, change icon. So this message will be appear, but don't focus on it. Okay, select uh, any icon, so I can select this one. uh, yeah, I can select this one, it will be fine, and then apply. And you can see I the first one I already made this, but for you guys, that's how we can create slide to shutdowns buttons. So it's slide to shutdowns. When we can double click on it, so you can see slide to shutdowns and uh, will be appears. So it's the first tricks of the computer. So let's move toward the second trick, how we can create shutdown timer buttons. So you can right click and then again you can go on new, and then again in new you can select a shortcut, click on it, and here you need to write shutdowns shutdowns minus s minus space minus t and then time. You need to write shutdowns then space then minus s then space then minus t then space, and here you can mention the times, how much times you want to give, that after this times your PC will be shut down automatically. So for example, I want to shut down my PC after 1 hour, so I will put the times. But not one things, here you need to write the times and seconds. So in 1 hour has 3600 seconds, so that's why I put this. And then you can click on next, and here I will give a name to this uh, shut shutdown timer button. So I can give the name to it and then click on finish. So you can see the buttons were the button was created. And now if you change the icon, so change the icon of this button as well, right click on it and then go property and here you can click on change icon, so this message will be appear, and then you can again, so I can give this icon because it's related to shutdown, so I can select again and again this icon, apply and OK. So after 1 hours my laptop will be automatically shut down when I double click on it, because I set the shutdowns timer buttons, so that's why our PC will be the shutdown timer button is used. For example, I am downloading something, uh, and night times I also want to sleep, and downloading will be complete after 1 hour or 2 hours, so we need to put shutdowns timers buttons, and after this times our PC will be automatically shut down. So it's amazing tricks, enjoy. If you people like my video, please subscribe my channel and please do not forget like and comment. Thanks you.